The VITAS Healthcare Hospice House of Orange County offers expert clinical and psychosocial care for patients with advanced illness and their families. When a patient experiences a disease exacerbation that makes symptom management in their preferred care setting no longer feasible, they can seamlessly transition to the VITAS Hospice House of Orange County from any location. Here, they receive around-the-clock care from an interdisciplinary team composed of experienced advanced illness specialists. Once the patient is stabilized, VITAS oversees their transportation home. The Hospice House team manages complex modalities that honor patients' individualized care plans, keeping them out of the hospital and emergency department. An experienced palliative board-certified medical director and full-time VITAS board-certified palliative care physicians support patients receiving complex therapies. They also routinely form collaborative partnerships with attending physicians to provide insight on treatments that address symptoms such as shortness of breath, excess fluids, pain, infections, wounds, and more. Armed with the resources and expertise to support the physical and psychosocial needs of patients with any advanced illness, the VITAS expanded interdisciplinary team ensures patients receive the highest level of care that far exceeds the basic requirements mandated by Medicare. VITAS specialists include respiratory therapists, dietitians, PT, OT, and speech therapists, and music therapists who deliver holistic symptom relief. Additional targeted interventions that improve our patients' quality of life include comforting Paw Pals pet visits and a variety of veteran-focused services. Established in a serene residential neighborhood in central Orange County, the Hospice House is fully renovated and provides a comfortable, tranquil environment featuring a coastal motif. The Hospice House features 6 private rooms equipped with flat-screen TVs and high-speed internet access. Additional amenities include a family room, kitchen area, and a beautifully landscaped outdoor area that enable family members and patients to spend quality time together. VITAS is here to support patients and families through a difficult time. When hospice patients need care beyond what can be provided at home, the VITAS Hospice House of Orange County is designed to provide the highest quality of acute inpatient care. Call 800-93-VITAS to learn more.